In our prior class, we explored functions and terminologies in drama, creatively delving into its essence. Drama captivates, conveying stories with emotion, insight, and audience connection. In today's class, we will be exploring the topic elements of drama. In theater's realm, woven threads craft vibrant stories. Creativity blooms, conflicts surge, embracing storytelling's essence within the heart of the stage. 1. Plot, the unfolding narrative, a voyage from the play's inception to its grand crescendo, guides our exploration. Without a captivating plot, the canvas of drama remains incomplete, leaving audiences yearning for the tale's resonance. 2. Protagonist, stepping onto the stage's spotlight, the protagonist commands our attention, be it a valiant hero or a beguiling heroine. They traverse the dramatic landscape, their journey the very heartbeat of the performance. 3. Antagonist, the counterpoint to the protagonist, the antagonist strides forth, casting shadows of discord and lending texture to the narrative tapestry. A dance of opposing forces ensues, a ballet of conflicting desires. 4. Dramatis personae, the gallery of characters stands ready, diverse and distinct, each a stroke in the playwright's masterpiece. Their collective presence breathes life into the drama, evoking a symphony of emotions. 5. Script, words crystallize into a script, a symposium of dialogue in action. Actors wield this literary alchemy to conjure the magic that dances across the footlights. 6. Characterization, the dramatist's brushstrokes of characterization create figures both familiar and extraordinary, bridging the chasm between the imagined and the real. Their words, their silences, their very essence resonate. 7. Theme, amid the intricate layers, a theme emerges like a guiding star. It beckons, whispering truths that resonate with the human experience, anchoring the tale in profound meaning. 8. Sound, echoes of emotion reverberate, carried by vocal cadences and a symphony of melodies. These auditory hues enhance the drama, breathing life into scenes and emotions. 9. Playwright, the master weaver, the playwright, orchestrates the narrative threads, imbuing them with purpose and direction. A conjurer of worlds, their artistry shapes destinies. 10. Tragic flaw, the tragic flaw, a chink in the armor, a vulnerability that leads to downfall. This universal human trait renders characters achingly human, eliciting empathy and reflection. 11. Audience, gathered in anticipation, the audience becomes an integral thread in the tapestry. Their laughter, gasps, and tears blend with the narrative, creating a symbiotic exchange of energy. 12. Conflict, the driving force, the crucible of tension and transformation. Conflict forges heroes, tests mettle, and propels the drama forward like waves against a steadfast ship. 13. Denouement, as the crescendo subsides, the denouement emerges, a serene exhalation. Loose ends intertwine, conflicts find closure, and the ripples of catharsis touch the audience's souls. 14. Stage, an altar of creativity, the stage itself is a realm untethered from reality. It cradles dreams, bearing witness to triumphs and tribulations, and inviting us to explore realms beyond the mundane. 15. Cast, our actors, our avatars in this realm of make-believe, infuse life into scripted words. With every step, every gesture, they channel the essence of characters, captivating our hearts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.